Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this HUAWEI. First of all, go into App Gallery and install your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. When your app is ready, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and tap on Apps and Services. Then select Default Apps. Finally, you need to click on one of those sections, in my case Browser app, and tap on the one that you wish to apply, in this case Opera Mini. So now when I click on it, I need to choose Change and tap on the back button. And as you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!